Dresden has this quiet charm that sneaks up on you. It's a city full of grace, history, and resilience, where every street feels like it has a story to tell. From the majestic buildings to the peaceful flow of the Elbe River, there's a sense of old world beauty that makes you want to slow down and soak it all in. Despite being heavily bombed during World War II, Dresden rose from the ashes and slowly rebuilt itself piece by piece, a living mix of old and new. You'll find historic buildings standing proudly beside modern ones, with museums, galleries, and cozy cafes tucked into every corner. There's a calm, almost poetic feel to the city that's hard to put into words, but easy to feel once you're walking through it. And right at the heart of it all is the Frauenkirche, or the Church of Our Lady, hands down one of the most moving and beautiful experiences we've had in Germany. From the outside, the church stands tall with its iconic stone dome, looking regal against the skyline. But what makes it special isn't just how beautiful it is, it's the story behind it. Originally built in the 1700s, the Frauenkirche was destroyed during World War II and left in ruins for decades. Locals called it the Wounded Heart of Dresden. But after Germany's reunification, people came together and began rebuilding it piece by piece, even using many of the original stones. It finally reopened in 2005, not just a church, but as a symbol of hope and peace. And one of our aims today is to get to the highest point of Frauenkirche. Stepping inside Frauenkirche feels like entering a peaceful dream. First thing you notice is the soft pastel palette, creamy whites, gentle pinks, and light blues with gold accents that make the space feel airy, almost heavenly. It's not dark or somber like many other old churches. Instead, it's bright and full of light, with a calming, almost uplifting atmosphere. At the center is a stunning Baroque altar, glowing with gilded details and crowned by angelic carvings. And above is a massive dome painted with delicate biblical scenes that draw your eyes upward, adding a sense of wonder. Here's what you can hear when you're inside the Frauenkirche. Tomorrow we'll be going up the Frauenkirche, and stay tuned for part 2. Thank you and have a great day.